Hi, Team Service Champions. It's Kevin. I want to just chat with you today about a few things. First and foremost, I want to say thank you very much, all of you that are out there taking care of our clients. I want to thank you, all of you, for being there for them and fighting the good fight and going into different homes and making sure that you're safe before you go in homes, and just how much that means to me that each of you have chosen to continue to serve our clients, and I know how much that means to our clients, so thank you very much. Second thing I want to talk to you about is the order that came out from the state yesterday, which restates that we are an essential business and that we will continue to stay open and we will continue to focus on safety more than anything else. Third thing I want to talk to you about is what happened this morning to me when I walked in at 7:30. When I walked in at 7:30, I was delighted to see some folks there that were taking care of our client. Stephanie in particular pulled me aside and said, "Kevin, I have this story I need to share with you from Khaled Osaka from our San Jose office." She said, I want to read this to you. She was super excited, and for good reason. This story is incredible from Khaled, and I want to read it, what this client's neighbor said when he saw Khaled getting ready to walk into one of our clients' house. "Mr. Comerford, I'm watching one of your technicians from my window. Before entering my neighbor's house, he took safety precautions that were exceptional. He wore gloves and a mask and cleaned the mat he would stand on before entering their home. When he entered, it appeared he stepped over their entryway rug so as not to contaminate it. That's what I call professional respect. Van number 235, he rocks. Please pass on my message to the tech and his manager. Stay safe." Wow, stay safe. Khaled, unbelievable. Thank you for being an example to all of us. Thank you for being an example to me. Incredible. Incredible. The other thing I want to talk about, the fourth thing I want to talk about today is we're living and working through some unprecedented times, and the opportunities that each of us have to be with our families at home, whether it be play games or watch TV together or whatever it is, just be present with our team members, like our fourth core value talks about, with our family members. I just want to encourage you that now more than ever is a wonderful time to do that. Finally, the last thing I want to share is my belief that this will pass. We are going to be stronger because of this. We are going to be a better organization because of this, and this will pass. I want to encourage you all to continue to live up to those high safety expectations and precautions that we've put in place, because that will see us through. Thank you, everybody. I look forward to talking to you again. Thanks.